Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this wall mount stand for the projector. See here, this I have ordered on Flipkart for around 400 rupees. Now the prices has been reduced. In this video, we'll see the full details and the real user experience of this wall mount projector stand. And the user has been using this for the past 3 years, you can say. Okay. Maybe I can show you the date here. Yes, antique Mart TV setup box and a remote stand wall mount one which was purchased in year 2022. So it's like 3 years the user has been using, and currently this specific product is sold out. It is showing in Flipkart. But yeah, you can see here, I'll be showing you the close-up look here. There are no physical damages appearing, and this is the projector. And first of all, this projector brand is Foso. At the end of the video, I'll show you this online details also. This projector online details, and the quality is good. This projector is also 3 years old. Since 3 years, for the past 3 years, the user has been using this projector also. This projector and this stand, wall mount stand, the both the user is using, and they both are working perfectly good. And the wall mount, the wooden shelf is of what you can say, this is of plywood material. And this is the Foso. I will be showing you the full details here. Okay, full details. Yeah. Yes, this one Foso full HD display, 1080 pixels. The quality is pretty good, as you have already seen this. Yeah. Coming to the wall mount stand, there are 2 screws which are given, and let us check the online availability. The specific one which I have shown you is currently showing as currently unavailable or sold out, and these are from the same brand, Antique Mart. Okay, Antique Mart TV setup box and remote stand wooden shelf, and this got 4.1 rating with the cost of 241. So the prices has been slightly reduced. The user has bought this for the 400 rupees in the past, and this would be somewhat the closest match, you can say, with the product what I am showing you in the video. This is the closest look, 217 rupees. Yeah, but you need to check the ratings and reviews before planning to purchase. Yeah. And this attracted a lot of dust, but it's okay. With the wet cloth, you can just wipe the dust out. And one good thing is there is no physical damage appeared due to this dust, or through the years, 3 years, it was very good. And please do comment your opinions on this projected wall mount stand, and you need to check the dimensions also. If possible, I'll be attaching these products and the view products before purchasing or anything. See, this wall mount stand is exactly fit for my projector. If you are planning for setup box are usually a bit lesser, smaller size, so this would be better for setup box also. And I placed in a corner this projector because this viewing angle is perfect for me. That's the reason I have kept here, and that too charging port is available. That's the reason I kept it here. And this is of the Lenovo laptop I recently purchased. Yeah, we'll check the online details of this projector also. Now just I'll want to show you some details clearly about this Foso L61080 pixels native resolution, which is of Android projector. Okay, this is the Android projector, inbuilt Android OS, mobile mirror casting. There is Miracast app inbuilt, 4800 lumens with 160 centimeters display LED projector. Yeah, There is HDMI cable, AV port and USB also. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comment.